Nongai Ktien ke BJP Bah MH Kharkrang hynne ke sngi ulaong ba Kyrtong ba parti kan Jied, Kynthei kito kiba Jingkyrmen ban job, Kampher lagi de ki longkmie ne ki Rangbah. Haba kren bat kilat pathai Khubor Bah Kharkrang iathuh ru ba nalor ka Kong Finela Nonglait, kidon ru, katto katne ki Kyrtong kiba pynpaw ba ki kwah ban aireng, na ka tiket parti na Shillong seat.
Someday kata field women candidate tambah the long nyapik vulnerability don ka candidate ru te mlai tang mi ru ki don ki ba pynpaw ki kwah ki ban yele ya kini election mentan te we'll have to weigh the vulnerability factor to get candidates, and accordingly then we will send it to Delhi for approval, and ultimately Delhi will approve which the best candidate. Yeah, one lady candidate is there who's indicated her keenness to contest the elections, and we'll definitely look into it also, including the way ru ki ba kwah ek BJP tiket, kita ki way ru ki ong ba ki kwah ni le na BJP tiket, bang lara kim yo ba ru doesn't matter, kim contest yo. That is one thing. I mean, they are all party workers, so they'll abide by what the party tells them. Two are male and one is a lady.
So
he has expressed, not that he has expressed, but we as a party also, definitely we would like a 6-time MLA to be a party candidate. Be able to discuss, but informally, yes. He also indicated, I mean, that he said it's up to the Central High Command, and if they ask him to contest elections, definitely he will contest. To our seat, I don't see any names except one that has come up. That also I saw in the papers.